What's up, YouTube? So we got a lot of things planned today. Kinda, not really. I'm about to just take y'all along. All right, so we in the car now. The first thing we're gonna do today is we're gonna try to sneak into this car meet that's at my local mall. So let's see how this goes. So we get into the meet right now. I feel like I'm gonna be on my fresh kick stuff today. If you know, you know. All right, so as you can see, we're at the car meet. Some motorcycle shit. Parked by some people that I know over here. So the way we're gonna enter is through JCPenney. We gonna act like we're going shopping. So we snuck into the meet. This is gonna be weird because I've been shopping here my whole life. So to see cars at a car meet, like a car meet inside the mall, crazy. Right away, we got an Integra. Yellow valve covers, if you know, you know. Nah, this is sick. Got the Lambo doors on this bitch. No way, you could play the game in here. Look what they got up here. Nah, that's sick as fuck. Nah, what is this? Toyota? Clean ass engine bay, bro. I feel like some of these guys don't even drive their fucking cars, dude. I don't know about y'all, but I really fuck with that bumper. GTR style, that shit look clean. Shit, EF. These things? Yellow valve cover. I seen this shit at a meet last year. This shit is clean. I fuck with that steering wheel. We gonna have one soon. God damn, bro, that's lace. ISF though. Dominicano, Bobby. Nah, that's low. That's low. Oh my gosh. VIP. Type R, the Type R 370Z. That shit clean. This is my taste right here. Straight race car shit. So many dream cars. Bro, E92, S2000, F80. Damn, not an M3 though. She is wide. Close your hood, sir. Stock ass hood, underbody. This is crazy. Whole carbon front end, honeycomb. All right, we now leaving the car meet. There was a lot of cool cars, but can't stay there all day. Got shit to do. What's the retail on one of those?
I'll say like 48,000.
I guess it's worth it.
It comes with Brembos.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, so a couple hours after the last clip, we're here at the casino for my boy Rodamil's birthday in the Type Riz. Got my boy Adriel in the Rex. Look what we got over here. Nice little EG hatch. This shit is clean. Right-hand drive too. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. That shit looking nice. Oh my god. Alright guys, we just finished eating. We got that lineup. Sheesh, we got 6 cars out. That's crazy. Ida, Cam, me, Adriel, Roddy, Jen. Yo, it's the next day from yesterday's clip. I'm at the gas station with my boy Jeremiah. He just built this moped. We might get some GoPro clips on that shit. You already know we got the 8th gen right here too. Yeah, this thing is sick, bro. Like, honestly, whole life I known this dude right here, bro, he goes sick with the mopeds. Like, just give him a frame and a motor with 2 tires, he'll make something happen.
What's up? We got the red zip tie here. Even though that zip tie is black, we're gonna call it the red zip tie because we're gonna paint that shit
red. Bro.
But yeah, here it is, dude. I put this together for like $100. But dude, a whopping 75 cents.
Can't beat that, bro. You can't beat that.
Here is your quarterback, wherever it went.
Everybody hear a cold start real quick? Yes, sir. Got the GoPro on my head, you dig? Jeremiah's trying to get his second moped to run so we can go on a little cruise type shit for y'all. He just got to put a rear tire on it because this one debeated, but that's a quick fix, right, Jay?
Yeah, I need a vacuum hose, but I can't find it.
All right, guys, so Jeremiah couldn't really get the other moped to run. It was bogging a lot, so he still got to do some work on that. So he's just gonna ride a pedal bike while I'll try out his new running moped. Sheesh. This motherfucker loves Saabs. You got 2 of them, 293 arrows. 1 clean chassis, 1 not so clean chassis. And then, she's all right. Yes, sir.
I gotta adjust the throttle first.
Go ahead.
It's like a bit icky.
Oh, shit.
Just be careful. Just take your time. Be careful.
Yes, sir. Yup. Sorry for the wind, guys. I gotta get a media mod ASAP. I have not ridden a moped in so long, I forgot how it is. Bro, she rides mint. Yes, bro.
That thing fucking...
Okay.
Damn it. That thing ripped.
Nah, she really do rip, bro. Bro, I definitely need you. Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, look at
I'm gonna definitely need you to... I can't fucking do it while I'm sitting. Bro, I would love if we sourced parts and we built one for me.
Let's do it.
I'm down, bro. I need a toy besides that toy.
Dude, I basically put that together for like $100.
Bro.
I drove an hour and a half for a motor, plastics. I mean, bro, I put the whole scooter in the trunk of my car except the frame.
That's fire.
I paid $140 for it, so.
That's not bad, bro.
Here it is.
Literally.
I mean, it is.
And even if you did, you should have. If you were able to bring the frame, then all you needed was like another motor, basically.
Pretty much.
And I mean, you already have it.
Yeah. Yeah. I have one other complete scooter in the back.
Fuck yeah. Alright, I'm going home now. I just stopped by my boy's crib, you know, to check out his little projects he got going on. It was fun driving his moped. I miss my moped from when I used to have one a couple years back with all the boys, but hell yeah. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Definitely gonna start making more entertaining content. I love this shit. I just love recording, love editing. Like, just the whole process is just like gives me something to do, and I like that. So I appreciate you guys for watching until the end. Thank you.